Tips for maintaining your cargo trailer. How do you maintain your trusty cargo trailer with the least amount of effort? Here are some tips to ensure your trailer stays in top shape for years to come. Grease the wheel bearings. The wheel bearings on your cargo trailer are what keeps everything moving smoothly. It's essential to regularly check and grease them to prevent any friction or damage. It should be done at least once a year but may need to be done more frequently, depending on how often you use your trailer. Don't overload. Cargo trailers have weight limits for a reason. Overloading your trailer can strain its axles, tires, and other components, leading to potential damage and safety hazards. Make sure to always stay within the weight limit recommended by the manufacturer. Regular maintenance. It includes checking the lights and electrical system, inspecting the trailer for any damage, and keeping an eye out for any rust or corrosion. By staying on top of maintenance tasks, you can catch any potential issues early on and prevent them from becoming bigger problems. Discover top trucking companies in our previous video and find the ideal partner for your durable cargo trailer needs.